Hello students, this video is shared with you to provide some information about the botanical gardens. What are botanical gardens? What is the importance of botanical gardens? Where they are located? All these kinds of informations are shared with you through this video. So first I am going to tell you what is a botanical garden. A botanical garden or botanic garden is a garden dedicated to the collection, cultivation, preservation and display of a wide range of plants labeled with their botanical names. Botanical gardens may contain special plant collections such as cacti and other succulent plants, herbs gardens, plants from particular parts of the world, special collections such as tropic plants, alpine plants or other exotic plants. Botanical gardens are often run by universities or the scientific research organizations and often have associated herbaria and research program in plant taxonomy. The main role of botanical gardens is to maintain documented collections of living plants for the purposes of scientific research, conservation, display and education. Over the years, botanical gardens as cultural and scientific organizations have responded to the interest of botany and horticulture. Nowadays, most botanical gardens display a mix of the themes having a strong connection with the general public. There is the opportunity to provide visitors with information relating to the environmental issues being faced at the state of the 21st century, especially those relating to plant conservation and sustainability. The Botanical Gardens Network. Worldwide, there are now about 1800 botanical gardens in about 150 countries. Due to increase in human population, urbanization and the destruction of natural habitats of plants and animals, a lot of them are facing the dangers of extinction. In some parts of the world, botanical gardens had to be developed to ensure continuity of life forms. Now students, I am going to discuss with you some plant species located in Indian Botanical Garden. First one is century palm. This is rare palm tree that produces seeds only once in a lifetime and dies. Indian Botanical Gardens preserve the finest collection of the native and exotic species and a large number of rare and endangered species. Rich collections of bamboos, screw pines, palms, jasmines, bougainvilleas, legumes, water lilies, orchids, etc. are some of the proud possessions of the gardens. Now students, I am going to discuss with you the botanical gardens located in India. First one is Lal Bagh Botanical Garden in Bengaluru. It is famous for its glass house and the foundation stone. It is also famous for its 2 annual flower shows on Republic Day and on Independence Day. Lal Bagh Botanical Garden is home to India's largest collection of over 1000 species of tropical plants. Its rich flora attracts several exotic species of birds such as pond heron, purple moorhen, parakeets and local manna. Sprawled across 240 acres, now this garden also boasts of trees that can be dated back to over 100 years. Second one is Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden located in India. Previously known as Indian Botanic Gardens, It is situated in Shivpur, Howrah near Kolkata. It was previously also known as Royal Botanic Garden. The gardens exhibit a wide variety of rare plants and a total collection of over 12,000 specimens spread over 109 hectares. It is under Botanical Survey of India of Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India. The best known landmark, the garden, is the Great Indian Banyan trees at more than 330 meters in circumference. The gardens are also famous for their enormous collection of orchids, bamboos, palms, and plants of the screw pine genus. Animals seen inside the botanical garden include the jackal, Indian mongoose, and the Indian fox. A large number of various snakes are also found in the garden. Third one is Government Botanical Garden, Ooty. The garden is situated at the altitude of 2,200 meters above sea level in the Nilgiri Hills. It covers an area of 20 hectares in ascending terraces. This garden is pioneer in introducing vegetables, spices, and aromatic plants in India, including cinchona and different eucalyptus species. National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. This garden was laid out by Saadat Ali Khan. The present area of the garden is 27 hectares. The gardens with fine lawns, rose gardens, cactus house, and lily pools are very well maintained. The technique of dry flower arrangements was developed by this garden, which has earned it a wide acclaim. Botanical Garden of Forest Research Institute, FRI, Dehradun. The Botanical Garden occupies about 10 hectares in this 500 hectares Forest Research Institute. The garden was started in 1934. It has played an important role in the introduction of forest trees, ornamental plants, and other economic plants and indigenous flora of India. The collection of water plants is also pleasing. Students, now I am going to discuss with you the botanical gardens located in United States of America. Luckily, nearly every major city in the United States features a botanical garden, a place dedicated to the cultivation and display of plants and nature. Botanical gardens offer much more than just plants. From evening concert to sculpture gardens to international art exhibitions, botanical gardens are at the heart of city culture. So, the first botanical garden located in USA is Portland Japanese Garden. This 5.5 area Japanese garden features 5 different gardening styles: a strolling pond, tea garden, sand and stone garden, and natural garden. Second one is Brooklyn Botanic Garden. It features more than 10,000 kinds of plants from all over the world. The garden is open area year-round, but one of the more popular time to visit this area is during the spring when dozens of cherry blossoms bloom. Third one is Desert Botanical Garden. Phoenix's Desert Botanical Gardens proves that deserts are alive and beautiful too. More than 50,000 plants are on display on 140 acres that showcase cacti, wildflowers, and even herbs. United States Botanical Garden in Washington, D.C. It is one of the oldest botanical gardens in the country. Here are almost 65,000 strong plant collection and the conservatory. One can find here indoor gardens focused on jungle and desert climates. Next one is Missouri Botanical Garden. There is much to love about the 79-acre Missouri Botanical Garden in St. Louis. It is the world's largest collection of rare orchids. Open since 1960, Missouri Botanical Garden has the tropical rainforest theme, boasts more than 2,800 plants and river aquarium with exotic fish. Next one is Dallas Arboretum and Botanical Garden. The Dallas Botanical Garden is a 66-acre botanical garden located in Dallas, Texas. The botanical garden is home to more than 2,000 varieties of daffodils and tulips. It provides a location for home gardeners to learn how to install and manage a low-water landscape gardens. Highlights includes 90 varieties of azaleas, 80 types of Japanese maples, a hanging garden, 90 kinds of ferns, a rose garden, Japanese cherry blossom trees, and more. Students, an arboretum in a general sense is a botanical collection composed exclusively of trees. Arboretum is a botanical garden containing living collections of woody plants and is intended for scientific study. Now students, I am going to discuss with you botanical gardens located in Indonesia. First one is Bali Botanical Garden. It is the largest botanical garden in Indonesia. The garden contains more than 21,000 living specimens belonging to 2,400 species. Apart from plant collections that include orchids, ferns, cacti and carnivorous plants. Second one is Bogor Botanical Garden. It is located in central Jakarta. It is currently operated by Indonesian Institute of Science. The geographic position of Bogor means it rains almost daily, even in the dry season. This makes the garden an advantageous location for the cultivation of tropical plants. Medicines sections of the garden contains plants that are commonly used for medicine ingredients. Plants are separated into different sections according to their size and species. Descriptions of each of the different plants and their purpose as medicine ingredients are written for the visitors. Next one is Sibodas Botanical Garden. This garden occupies 85-hectare land at the foot of the mountain and exhibit tropical and highland flora of western Indonesia. Plant collection are planted in two areas, garden and plant house, for orchid, fern, succulent plant and cacti. This garden also has herbarium and seed collection. This botanical garden is open to public and provides facilities to many research programs like biotechnology, plant breeding, ecosystem conservation, educational programs, courses for school children, etc. So students, I discussed with you what are botanical gardens, famous botanical gardens located throughout the world. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.